Yo, what is up, what is up, what is up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to another video. Another day of ride today. Kaya lang, may abirya na agad. Si Max, sinandan ko ng location galing sa Google para mag-meet dito sa Shell na to. So hindi ko alam bakit iba yung lumabas na Shell sa kanya. So nasa ibang Shell siya ngayon. Hindi ako makasagot kasi nga nagra-ride tayo. So hindi ko alam kung susunod pa siya dito or uuwi na siya. Kasi sabi niya I'm going home. Pero sabi ko antayin ko siya dito. May isa pa tayong kasama, si Nico, yung isang katrabaho natin kung na naka GSXS. Spike Bomac hindi nakasama. So tayo lang tatlo magra-ride today kung dadating si Max. So tingnan natin kung susunod siya. Kasi sinend ko na ulit yung tamang location. Pag ito hindi sumunod, matampuhin pala to. Hindi ko lang bakit iba yung lumabas na location dun sa kanyang sa shinare ko. Hindi naman siya sumagot kung mag-aantay siya, ay kung susunod siya o hindi. Hindi ko rin masagot yung tawag niya kasi hindi naman nakakonect itong phone na to dito sa Cardo kanina. Kasi hindi ko pa nakukonect. So antay-antay natin kung susunod si Max or hindi. Pero nandito na tayo sa meet up point dito sa may Henderson kasi ang ride natin today is Boulder City and hopefully Hoover Dam kung makapunta tayo ng Hoover Dam ngayon. Ba't ba tignan niya natin yung sinend ko? Ito nga yun, 500 ko na si Togo eh. Tama naman yung sinend ko. Baka mali pinindot niya. Ayun ito yun. Ay naku Maxi boy. Oh well, sige, antayin natin siya kung susunod. Si Nico wala pa rin naman. So tingnan natin. Tayo muna ang tumambay dito. Gas muna rin tayo habang nag-aantay. So let's go.
What's up? Where'd you go?
Huh?
Where'd you go?
I don't know. I pressed the link. I just pressed the link that sent me to Shell station.
Open the link again. Open the link. Let me see. What's that?
Yeah, no, that's on that one.
Oh, that. Do you need gas or are you good?
Huh?
You need gas or are you good?
No.
Okay.
It's okay.
So let's just go straight to Hoover Dam and then we go breakfast.
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
There you go. Maxi boy made it. He went to the wrong Shell. Putang lemer. We go straight to Hoover Dam first and then we can have breakfast after. It's not too far from here.
You don't take the funny guy?
No, it's the multi-strata day, bro.
Yeah.
How's the wind? Wind is okay?
Oh yeah, that's perfect.
Exit in 1 mile. Have you been here, Max?
Yeah, but
With the car?
yeah, with the car.
Yeah. C8. Where's your license plate, Max? Hasn't came in yet?
Huh?
Your license plate?
Maybe, I think. I receive it next week.
Next week?
I receive it next week, yeah.
But you received the registration, eh?
Yeah.
And we're gonna go all the way to the top, okay?
On the left?
Yeah, but we have to go around the thing.
Okay. Left here?
No. Keep going. We're gonna go over them.
Okay,
All the way.
okay.
All the way, yeah.
Left?
Yeah, left side. Cars only. They will ask you if you have a gun.
Yeah.
Then you just flex like this. Max. Like this. They didn't even check. You know, what if I have one? Good thing I don't have anything right now. Hoover down.
Over there.
And then later we will go to Boulder City to have breakfast. We will look for Mike Womack sticker, okay? Because he said on his vlog, if we find this sticker, he'll give you a drift ride along. Imagine before there's no bridge, everybody goes to Arizona, goes through here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, we experienced that couple of times. It's going through here. It's already at least 45 minutes to an hour.
Let's go, Big Mac. Show me. You put the knee on the ground. Let's go.
You should go with us in the truck. We'll find you a racing suit. Oh, is that a GS? That's a GS. GS 1300. It says no stopping anytime here, and he stopped over there. How's the water? Oh man, it's still low. It's still low.
Oh, this is slow.
Yeah.
The level is very low, no?
Yeah. Welcome to Arizona. Arizona time. It's the same time. Because we're at DST.
Oh yeah, it's the same, no?
Yeah, it's the same. Because we DST already. They don't change their time, so.
Oh yeah.
The Monster looks good. Look, it looks clean, Max.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Keep going, all the way up top.
Dicho.
Banking. Relax, they might have a cop over there. We go around, you have to go around. Then we'll park over there.
Where is the exit?
Go around. See, it's a racetrack. Go around. Then make a left. Then we park over there by the sign. The sign?
To the side?
Yeah. You back it up. We made it to Hoover Dam. Ayan o. Ayan, tagal ko nang di nakakapunta rito sa Hoover Dam. Alright, we're just gonna hang out here and then we have breakfast later in Boulder City. Let's go. Go ahead, Maxi boy. Oh, earlier there's no people. Now there's a lot of people. Monichon.
Ah, Nichon.
Nishon. Petty shot.
Yeah, shut.
Dang.
Let's go!
Dang. Welcome to Nevada. We're back in Nevada. Let's go. I just go straight.
Yeah, go straight, okay.
Boulder City Historic District. Neutral. I think Celine Dion used to live here somewhere. This area.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then when she goes to Caesar's Palace for the show, she takes a helicopter.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's go, Max. Let's go, Maxi boy. Welcome to the historic downtown. We're here. Now we just have to find the parking spot. You will find the Bomax sticker.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a bike spot, a bike park. Oh, okay, we can park there. I guess. Brother, right here. Coffee Cup Cafe. Here, there's a bike, motorcycle parking, but there's only 2. Here.
We can take another one, no?
Yeah, you can park over here. Park there.
I have a problem with the parking spot.
He admitted it. I don't know if I'll get a ticket here, but we'll see. Okay, let's find Bomax sticker. Let's find Bomax sticker. It's here somewhere.
Oh, it's here.
Yeah, it's here.
Found it?
Oh yeah.
So you get the free high speed drifting right along? Yeah.
So on Saturday, on the busiest day.
Alright, so we're here at Coffee Cup Cafe. Ito ay mag-breakfast.
Breakfast was good, ah. Naka-off pala ko. Naka-off pala yung cardo ni Max. Sarap din yung loko mo ako. Okay yung timpla. Pagka weekend lang, problema dyan, maraming tao. Yun ang problema. Kaya minsan kumakain sa Southwest Diner, mas less yung tao doon. Diba eh? Lady Rider.
Nisho.
Oh shit, you're here. You like the food, Max?
Oh yeah, that's great.
That's good, huh?
That's a great space. This spot, yeah.
Yeah. Sometimes if it's cause it gets crowded there, sometimes we eat here on the left side,
Okay.
Southwest Diner. There it's okay. It's better there, but sometimes it's a lot of people. Brother. Green lights, green light, go go go, green light, go go go. Oh, there's no more A&W here. Did they close the A&W? Oh, they're there. I thought they closed it. Still there. Bye, Nix. Bye. Go ahead, Max. Bye, Max.
Bye-bye. See you. You ride tomorrow?
Maybe, yeah. We can ride tomorrow. Go ahead.
I need to go to Cycle Tech.
Tomorrow, what time?
I don't know.
We can go in the morning if you want to.
Okay.
Au revoir.
Au revoir, Big Mac.
Au revoir.
And don't forget,
What?
Crony Show only. Crony Show.
Bonne show.
Crony Show only. Okay.
Bonne show. Bonne show.
Yep. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Alright, so uwi ang time na. Iwahiwalay na kami nila Max and Nico. Kasi si Max kailangan niya makarating ng bahay by noon. Kasi parang meron siyang telephone appointment afternoon. So si Nico uwi na rin yan. Day off din siya today. So yun, isang araw pa nag-iaya yan eh. So siya nag-iaya mag-ride today. So swabe yung food sa kinaya namin. Usually doon kami kumakain pag nagbo-Boulder City, pero kasi lalo pag weekend, punuan doon, maraming tao doon. Buti nga ngayon hindi masyado. Na-accommodate tayo agad. Mabante naman. Sarap talaga si Multi eh. Tapos yung alam mo yung, di ba nag-track day kami, tapos madalas kong gamit si Panigale, tapos nag-track day kami, tapos binasasakay kay Multistrada. Napaka-refreshing. Iba talaga eh, iba yung comfort nito ni Multi eh. Sobrang sarap ng feeling pagka galing ka kay Panigale tapos sasampa ka dito. Sobrang sarap. So ngayon, mileage check tayo kay Multi. It's 22,666. Oy, kahit ganoon, sakto-sakto. 22,666. Eh, alam ba kayo dyan sa mga ganyan? Pag madalas mo nakikita yung, let's say, 666 na number, diba? Kasi iba siya sabi, ano yun eh, pangit yun, diba? Yung 666 na number. Pagka sinearch mo naman, ang lumalabas, parang something is not aligned daw. Kasi meron time na sobrang dalas kong makita yan 666 number na yan kung saan sa mileage, sa milyahe, sa plate number, sa mga kasabay mo. Yun sa madalas mong makita yan. So minsan napa-research ako, ano kaya ang ibig sabihin nito, diba? So yun nga, ang research ko, ang lumalabas, hindi naman siya satanic or something na bad. Parang hindi lang daw, meron lang daw hindi mga bagay na hindi naka-align. Yun na sinasabi. Pero I don't know, who knows, diba? Pero kung may alam kayo about dyan sa 666 na mga ganyan-ganyan, comment down below. Para meron tayong ibang input. So yun lang guys, maraming salamat sa pagsama sa amin today sa Hoover Dam ride. Medyo matagal-tagal na before nung last Hoover Dam ride natin. So thank you sa pagsama sa atin today. And shout out to Max and Nico. It was a good ride. So yun lang. Alright guys, until the next one, ingat kayo dyan and enjoy. Let's go.